In this video, I will show you how to find cursed bone in LEGO Fortnite. So let's jump straight into it. So to go ahead and find cursed bone, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Frostlands biome on your world map. Now once you're here, there's actually two ways to obtain cursed bone. The first way is to actually look around for some chests scattered about the world, and there's a good chance that some of these chests are going to contain cursed bone. The second method is to actually obtain this from a creature which can be found in the caves in the Frostlands. So what you want to do is go ahead and jump into a cave, and at this point I would recommend having something like a recurve crossbow, which is either uncommon or rare, to defeat the monster in this cave. Now the type of monster we're looking for is kind of like a skeleton wolf, and what I'm going to do is just explore this cave and I'll show you guys what this looks like. So here we are, I've managed to find the creatures that we need to defeat. So as you can see, it's these big sort of skeleton wolf things. Now what you want to do, they're quite easy to kill, but basically you don't want to get hit because they do take off quite a lot of your health. So as recommended, I would say use the recurve crossbow or maybe a longsword, and basically you just want to go and start battling with this creature until you defeat them. So once you go ahead and defeat them, so I've basically killed this one, it's just going to take about one or two more arrows to take him down. And as you can see, there's going to be some things drop out, and one of these is the cursed bone. So as you can see, we've retrieved the cursed bone. So that's how to go ahead and get cursed bone in LEGO Fortnite. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.